Here's an important disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice and should not be taken as such. Always do your own research or consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Hello everyone, and welcome to part 3 of our Blastpad.io series. In today's episode, we're going to take a closer look at the Blastpad.io bonus pool. We'll learn how it works and how we can earn rewards from a wide range of tokens. Before we deposit our tokens into the bonus pool, let's first understand how it actually works. What is the Blastpad bonus pool? When a project on Blastpad.io creates a staking pool, 94% of the reward tokens go into the new staking pool, and 6% go into the Blastpad bonus pool. That means every time a staking pool is created, 6% of the rewards automatically flow into the bonus pool. Example, if a project allocates 1 million tokens to a staking pool, 940,000 go into the regular staking pool and 60,000 tokens go into the bonus pool. We already explained in detail how the 94% from the staking pool are distributed back in part 1 of the series. But what exactly happens to those remaining 6% that go into the bonus pool? These tokens, collected from all active staking pools on Blastpad.io, are distributed to accounts that hold a certain amount of BLPAD tokens and have staked them in the bonus pool. If you don't know yet what the BLPAD token is or how its tokenomics work, check out part 2 of the series where we explained it in detail. But here's a quick recap. The BLPAD token is used as a currency on the Blastpad platform and allows token holders to purchase services like airdrops and token creation. It can also be used for staking, voting, and in this case, for participating in the Blastpad bonus pool. So, there is one large pool that receives 6% of the staking rewards from every active staking pool on Blastpad. You can benefit from these rewards in 3 different levels, depending on how many BLPAD tokens you stake in the bonus pool. The 3 levels are 100k, 200k, and 300k of BLPAD token, giving you a multiplier between 1 and 3 on your rewards. Just like regular staking, once you deposit BLPAD into the bonus pool, these tokens are no longer available in your WebAuth wallet until you leave the bonus pool again. However, there are no lockup periods. You can withdraw your BLPAD from the bonus pool at any time. By joining the pool, you receive rewards from all staking pools on Blastpad. As I already showed in part 2 of the series, really anyone can create a token on Blastpad, and anyone can create a staking pool for any token. This means you'll also receive rewards from tokens that have no liquidity, no use, and no real purpose. I'm not here to judge which tokens are good or bad, and I'm definitely not giving financial advice, but I do want to give you one helpful tip before you join the pool. Create a separate XPR account just for the bonus pool. Not because it's unsafe, but it's simply because your main wallet will get flooded with a huge number of different tokens as rewards. When you claim your rewards, you might receive 100 to 150 different tokens at once, and most of them currently have no real value. So do yourselves a favor, use a dedicated XPR account for bonus pool rewards. From there, you can transfer the tokens you actually want to keep to another XPR account, to stake them, swap them, or whatever you want to do with them. Later in this video, we'll show you exactly how the claiming process works, and then you'll see why using a separate account really makes sense. Before we start with the pool, let's quickly take a look at our wallet. Here we have the 100,000 BLPAD tokens that we're going to deposit into the pool in just a moment. If you want to know how to get BLPAD tokens, I explained it in part 2 of this YouTube series. On the Blastpad.io website, you'll also find a Buy BLPAD button with a link to the Alcor exchange. The link goes to the XUSDC BLPAD swap, but I recommend also checking the XPR BLPAD swap, since it often has a lower price impact. So, let's log into Blastpad.io using our XPR account, and then click on My Bonus Pool. Here we can choose one of the 3 staking levels. Pretty simple, the more BLPAD you deposit, the higher your level, and the more rewards you earn. We currently have 100,000 BLPAD available, so we'll choose level 1. We click Add Stake, confirm the message, and sign the transaction using our WebAuth wallet, just like always. Done. The green indicator shows that we are now staked in level 1, and under My Bonus Pool, we can see our staked position. We can now click View Rewards at any time to check if we've already received rewards, and if so, we can claim them. Since we just staked, there's nothing to claim yet, so we'll simply come back in a few days. Alright, 3 days have passed and we're back at the pool. We click again on View Rewards, and now we see a long list of tokens and rewards. There are really a lot of them, and as mentioned before, most of them probably have no liquidity or active project behind them. So what do we see here in this list? We see the token name, token symbol, smart contract, and the amount of rewards earned in the last 3 days for each token. To claim the rewards, we simply click Claim Rewards at the bottom and confirm the transaction. Since we can't pick individual tokens, we always have to claim them all at once. This is exactly why I recommended using a separate XPR account for bonus pool rewards. The claim is complete, so let's switch over to our WebAuth wallet. We don't see our 100,000 BLPAD here, because they're currently staked in the bonus pool, but we do see all the tokens we just claimed, each with different amounts. One token that really stands out here is the Mormon token, with over $40 in rewards for only 3 days in the pool. But don't expect this kind of reward every time. This only happened because the Mormon token price recently pumped hard and received a lot of attention. Most of the time, rewards will look more like what you see from the tokens below in the list. If we look at the list, we also see some well-known active projects in the XPR network, like AI Robot Kitty, XPR Escrow, Owl Noctum, Cypher, Nutmeg, Travel Deals, and of course the Blastpad token itself. These are just a few examples, not recommendations, and definitely not financial advice. If you want to learn more about these projects, you'll find web links and Telegram groups on my website. Scrolling further down the list, you really see how many tokens there are. If you created a dedicated XPR account for bonus pool rewards, you can now send any of these tokens to another XPR account to hold, swap, or stake them there. Of course, you can also do everything from this account, whatever works best for you. Personally, I like using 3 XPR accounts. Account number 1. For tokens I swap or stake on the MetalX or lending platform like XPR, the Metal token, Loan, and all X tokens like XUSDC, XBTC, etc. Account number 2, for tokens I use on Blastpad to stake, or Alcor exchange to swap. Account number 3, just for claiming pool rewards. Tokens I want to keep, I send to account number 2, and the rest I simply leave there. Who knows, maybe they'll become interesting someday. That's just my system. If you have another idea, let me know in the comments. And once again, this is not financial advice. Crypto, especially small projects and meme tokens, carry a high risk and you can lose everything. Do your own research and never invest money in projects or tokens you don't understand. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope you found it helpful and learned something useful. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if, when staking your XPR, you select my block producer, Bloxprod, as one of your 4 BPs. That helps me run the servers in the XPR network and also keep producing these videos for you. See you next time, your XPR block producer, Bloxprod.